Our burger and french fry box templates have been making their rounds, so here's a quick tutorial to show you how to assemble our french fry box template. Although technically you can hand cut if you choose to, I recommend using a cutting machine such as a Cricut. It's going to perfectly cut the SVG files to ensure that you have all the needed slits and dotted lines to make your creases perfect. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you go ahead and add all of your creases. You're going to fold down all of the tabs where you see the dotted lines. Right here, I'm just zooming in so you can see where the dotted lines are. That's where you want to make sure that you're folding and do it throughout the entire template. Don't forget about the small tabs as well. Fold those down and keep going all around the template until you folded all of the creases included. Now this part here gets a little tricky since there is a curve. How you want to do it is you want to take your pointing finger and kind of place it on the inside of the template and fold as you're pressing towards your finger. I hope that makes sense, but this is how I do it to be able to help to not crush the entire template while I'm trying to fold it down. So far, you should end up with something like this, and now you're ready to put it all together. Here, I'm just making sure that I put these tabs down specifically because this is what's going to be on the inside of your french fry box. So making sure it's facing inside, I'm going to now put my tab into the slit that's provided and press everything firmly. From this point, you should easily be able to close that second slit, and now you can move on to the other side of your french fry box. Following the same steps, you're going to do that first initial tuck and then insert your slits. And that should conclude the assembly of your french fry box. This bottom part here, you want to press it in because that's how it should be. And voila, you have a completed french fry box. These make the perfect party favors and can hold french fries as well as other light snacks. If you wanted to, you could also add glue on the inside, but it's not necessary. It should hold up just fine. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this with a crafty friend who could use the gems.